not enough. What's next?
You feel it, don't you? That constant, quiet hunger. You reach a financial goal, and the satisfaction lasts for just a moment. Then the hunger returns. More, not enough. What's next? We call it ambition. We praise it as drive. But today, we will call it by its true ancient name. We will call it avarice. And by the end of this, you will decide for yourself if it is a healthy desire or a sickness devouring your soul. This is the anatomy of avarice. Anatomy Lesson 1. Avarice is not the love of things. It is the fear of loss. It is not an affection for the items themselves. It is a sick attachment to the imaginary security they promise. Avarice is a parasite. It feeds on your peace of mind. It promises you freedom, but instead, it builds you a cage. A cage forged from the bars of your own bank account, and every time you acquire more, that cage gets a little smaller. Anatomy Lesson 2. The difference between ambition and avarice. Ambition wants to create. It wants to compose the symphony, build the structure, make the discovery. Ambition wants to add something to the world. Avarice merely wants to own. It wants to take something from the world. It doesn't create, it only collects. It doesn't want the music, it wants the violin. It doesn't want the building, it wants the bricks. Ambition builds a life based on value. Avarice measures a life based on numbers, all while life itself, the actual lived moments, slip right through your fingers. And Anatomy Lesson 3. The root cause. Why? Why all this hunger? Because we are infected with the disease of comparison. We no longer measure our wealth by what we need, but by what others have. And even deeper, the philosophers knew the true reason. It is a terror of insignificance. It is a futile attempt to build a fortress of gold against mortality, against death itself, as if by hoarding enough, you could somehow escape it. So, what is the cure? The cure is not to renounce wealth. The cure is diagnosis, to dissect this impulse, to hold it up to the light, to understand its anatomy. Only then can you separate the ambition that builds a life from the avarice that destroys one. Join us. Subscribe. Next week, we will examine the engine of this fear, the paradox of scarcity.